Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am back another unboxing and short review. Today I am going to unboxing and short review Samsung Galaxy A15 after 6 months. So let's talk about the box content. You can get one USB Type-C cable, then some paperwork, then our Galaxy A15 and one SIM ejector tool. So this is the final look our Galaxy A15. The phone comes with glass in the front, plastic back and plastic frame. The smartphone comes with 6.5-inch 90Hz Super AMOLED panel with 800 nits peak brightness. On the performance wise, the phone comes with MediaTek Helio G99 processor. The phone base variant is 4GB RAM and 128GB variant, and you can get highest 8GB of RAM and 256GB storage. Let's now talk about the camera. The phone comes with triple camera setup, 50MP main sensor, 5MP ultrawide and 2MP macro shooter, and single 13MP selfie camera. And the smartphone powered by massive 5000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging supported. And Galaxy A15 long time full review are coming very soon, so make sure hit the like and subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. So that's pretty much for today's video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I will be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.